This thing sucks. And I mean, it literally sucks. Because that's what it's meant to do. It's one of those things that I don't really think that people buy. It just appears in your electronics kit at some point. This blue aluminium vacuum stick materializes out of nowhere. Like, it's been summoned by my bad soldering decisions. Very bad soldering decisions. So, here's the weird part. Despite its mystical origins, this thing is everywhere, and honestly, it makes sense. You would expect a tool that can slurp molten metal off a circuit board to cost a fortune, but nope. It doesn't need batteries, it doesn't have a power cord, and it doesn't have any complicated setups. It's just a spring, a tube, and a button. And it just works. It's not fancy or high-tech. It does exactly what it promises. It sucks solder like a tiny, angry vacuum cleaner with something to prove. So why is it so good for you? Well, if you're getting into electronics, this thing, it's your safety net. Because let's be honest, we all make mistakes sometimes, a lot of mistakes. This little thing gives you the freedom to mess up without fear. It's a hardware version of an undo button, and while you're using it, you're learning everything on the screen above. And it's huge. Not this thing, what you're learning. It turns soldering from stressful to fun, fixable, and way less intimidating. Well, how do you use it? Heat the joint, keep the solder molten, bring the pump to it, and hit the button. That's it. Guys, this is the first time I'm using the soldering iron. So please be gentle in the comments. I'm not used to these wireless things yet. It's not magic, it's just physics. While it's a right tool for a lot of applications, it's not the right tool, and it's not perfect if you're working with multi-layer boards or massive ground planes, like I try to demonstrate, or tiny SMD components. You're better off using something else. But for through-hole components, this thing is your best friend. So yeah, this thing sucks, because that's what it's best at. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, just wait. One day, you'll open your toolbox and this blue aluminum vacuum stick will just be there. It always finds you eventually. If you enjoyed this, hit the like, subscribe, and tell me your worst soldering fail in the comments. I won't judge much, because mine's probably worse. Thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!